Traveling has always been my passion, and I've always traveled with my friends, but never traveled alone. Recently, I decided to go on a solo trip to Gokarna, but eventually it ended up in a group trip of 6. So, this video is all about my trip after 7 months, and to make it more exciting, I was going to a beach after 2 years. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rahul, and you're watching Nature Travelers. In Bangalore, it was raining continuously, and the weather report showed it's raining in Gokarna as well. So we thought we had to stay indoors and watch movies if it was raining. On the way to Gokarna, it was drizzling and cloudy as well. Friday night we hopped into a bus from Bangalore, and Monday morning by 9:30 am we were in Gokarna. So it was around 10 hours journey from Bangalore. Though I've been to Gokarna twice in the past, I've never stayed in any of the beaches. So this time I just wanted to stay in a beach and just relax. So guys, we've reached Gokarna, and we had breakfast at this restaurant, and now we're gonna go to our stay, which is in Kudle Beach. So guys, this is the room we are staying in Gokarna. It's called Uma Maheshwari Cottage. This room and another room, totally 6 of them. We've just come, checked in, and now we're going to go to the beach. We're going to have lots of fun. So this is the plan for day 1. And one thing, I was really worried about the weather, but the weather seems fine as of now. It's very clear, the sky is very clear, but yeah, it's completely humid. But yeah, humid is fine, it's something expected here in coastal regions. But yeah, the weather, which I was worried, is there's no rain, it's completely fine. So yeah, let's go. So guys, welcome to Gokarna.
Hey, steady!
When in places like Gokarna, never miss the fun and water. I mean the water rides. I was very much excited for this as this was my first time in water sports. So it's evening, 5 o'clock in the evening. We had our lunch and we're just walking on Kudle beach. Oh, it's a very nice evening. You can see. Feels awesome. I mean, really. This place is absolutely wonderful. Thankfully it didn't rain. The biggest worry I had about weather, the weather was almost fine, you know. There was no rain, no thunderstorms. We did the banana ride. Actually I wanted to do the jet ski, but it's okay. I at least got to do the banana ride, you know. I was actually thinking that we won't be able to do any water sports because of the weather, but yeah, we were able to do at least one. So better luck next time. So I'll be going for the jet ski next time when I come to Gokarna. So honestly I'm very tired, you know. I haven't slept properly yesterday or in the past few days, so yeah. So this probably brings us to the end of day one of our trip in Gokarna. So tomorrow we'll be trekking, we'll be doing the beach trek. That was a beautiful sunrise. I mean, this place is awesome, isn't it? Oh my god, the different shades of Gokarna. Oh boy, why is this place so beautiful? Look at the lights. Woo. Yeah boy, that's Gokarna for you. So I think it's a wrap on this video. I'll see you guys in the next one then. Take care, bye bye. I can see the sun, the moon coming up